Hi, Vanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the Romanian cord. This one here is worked with bulky weight yarn. This one here is worked with a medium yarn, but I doubled up. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so I have some scrap yarn here. This is Lion Brand's Tono. Okay, so I'm just going to use a 6mm, and this is Knitter's Pride's Zing. So you want to start with a slip knot. You're going to chain 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, so now in the second chain from the hook, right there, which is your very first chain stitch, you're going to work 1 single crochet. So insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, okay, then yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so right here on the side, there's always going to be loops here, and that's where you're going to work into every time you turn, okay? So we've turned, and right here, this loop, you're going to want to work 1 single crochet. Now the very first time, it's going to be just 1 loop, but after this row, it's going to be 2 loops, okay? So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so right here again, where your hook is, down these stitches will be the stitch or the loops that you're going to work into in the next row. Okay, so we complete it here. So you want to turn. Okay, so there's the 2 loops. You want to insert your hook into the 2 loops and work your single crochet. So yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, again, there's your hook, there's the stitch, the first stitch on your right. When you turn, right below it are the 2 loops. Okay, insert your hook through both loops. There's the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. Okay, so you see right here, these 2 loops, when you turn, you'll see the 2 loops on top. Okay, insert your hook through both loops, yarn over, pull through those 2 loops, okay, yarn over, and pull through 2. So see these 2 loops on the side right here? When you turn, you see the 2 loops on top. That's where you insert your hook, okay? So you want to insert your hook into those 2 loops and work your single crochet. So you're going to repeat those steps until you have the size that you want. And I like to work my single crochet loosely so that I'm able to insert into these 2 loops easier. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, I've used this to make lanyards for my badge at work, and I'm also using this for a new bag project. So here's one that's in lighter weight yarn, and I'm using this with 2 strands. So when you turn, you actually see 4 loops, so keep that in mind. Okay, so right here, there's 4 loops instead of 2 because I'm using 2 strands. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.